Are you someone who is looking to start career in digital marketing or looking at a career transition from a different role like sales to digital marketing? Then this video is for you. Hello friends, I am Nidhi Singh and you're watching this Digital Marketing, and today we are going to talk about a super exciting topic. If you are non-digital marketer, how to shift your career into digital marketing. First thing first, when you are starting digital marketing, you need to know that digital marketing is an umbrella term, which means there are several verticals in digital marketing. So you might want to learn a little bit about what are verticals or what are scope is there in digital marketing, so you can choose a vertical to start working into it. There is a video that I will link to this video. Do check out to understand what is digital marketing. The key areas of digital marketing are search engine optimization, paid media marketing / PPC marketing, content marketing, social media marketing. A couple of days, a junior reached out to me who is working at Infosys. His question was, I am into IT career. I have 5-6 years of experience. How do I switch to digital marketing? My first few questions for him were, and for you as well, are, how much do you know about digital marketing? What is the overlap in your current role and the role you are seeking? So for example, if you in your current company, you are building digital products, then how you can leverage your understanding of building digital products into digital marketing. The other thing that you need to know, or he needs to do, is to learn about digital marketing. Just like how we do it, we go through our entire life to get a job. So if we are already in a job and we want to switch to a new job, you need to start by learning about that new job. In case of digital marketing, so much content is there for free, so much. Google Garage, free content. Facebook Blueprint, free content, free courses. HubSpot Academy, free content marketing courses. AdEspresso, entire free library of content about Facebook ads. So you see, there are ample, enough and more free resources, including YouTube. This channel itself is an example of free content. I am producing entire playlists with bite-sized videos which can act as a course in itself. So yeah, there are ample of places where you will get digital marketing learning. You can do it for free, or you can take a paid course from somewhere. For example, Udemy has some really inexpensive courses. There are several other providers out there in the market, right from Micahs of the world to Upgrades of the world, where you will find digital marketing course. You can do that. Tip number three is, don't just do a course. When you are taking a systematic learning path, which is very good, because one, that gives you exposure to what all things are actually possible in digital marketing. It also helps you add those keywords to your CV so that you start getting recognized by hiring professionals. But at the same time, you need to actually do those things. Digital marketing is something which is changing every day. So for example, if you're learning about Facebook ads and you're not actually going and doing it, one, you will never know hands-on Facebook ads. 2, Facebook ads might change in a month or so. So you might not know the latest thing. So that's why it's extremely important. Most of the things are free, maximum things. You can create a website buying domain as cheap as 100 rupees. So go and create a website. You can take a MailChimp email newsletter account for free and try and send emails through it to a bunch of friends so that you can learn about email marketing. You can create a Google Ads account. You can actually have a free trial account that will show you how the dashboard looks, how that stats section look. You can actually go and experience Facebook ad for free. So a lot of things are free. Google Analytics, you can explore it for free. Google Ads, you can explore it for free. Content marketing, you can do for free. You can create videos and post on YouTube. You can do social media marketing, create a fan page, everything for free. So yeah, learn digital marketing, do digital marketing, so that you know hands-on, and also you get to know the latest things. Once you do that, how do you approach to switch a job? Maybe if you are really you are an early jobber, look for internships. Maybe if you're not getting paid in internships, start with free internships so that you can build your portfolio. If you're getting paid internships, that's really great. Where can you get these internships? One, you can go and register yourself on Internshala. Two, you can go and update your CV on Naukri. Three, you can reach out to people on LinkedIn. So you can keep an eye on what are the companies that are getting funding, what are the companies that are looking to grow at a higher pace. Reach out to their founders, their HRs, their senior people, that you can do some work for them. When you're reaching out to them, don't reach out to them as someone who hasn't researched on company. Talk about their company, talk how you can add value to them, and then you can get hired by them as an intern or maybe even as a full-time employee. If you are someone who has already spent 5-6 years in industry, like I was talking to this person who has already spent 6 years in IT industry, I would say on the side, start looking for freelance opportunities. Maybe you are trying to do social media marketing. See if you can help out some small company or a brand by doing their social media marketing. Maybe start with free. Again, it will build your portfolio. If you're really good at it, if you can really show them how you can change their social media strategy or improve their social media presence, then charge money. Be confident about it, charge some money and do good work there, so that again you can build your portfolio and gradually transition from your IT career to social media career. More often than not, a very good transition is when you can actually in your existing company make that internal shift where you have overlap of some skill sets. So for example, if you're already working on a tech product where you already have a lot of insights on the marketing side, why this tech product is designed in a certain way so that your customer can benefit the best, then you can gradually shift from that role to a social media role because you already understand the consumer, you already speak the consumer language, and hence you can be a far superior fit when it comes to social media marketing or for that consumer. And in that case, your experience will not break. You have significant experience in this particular role, and then in the same company you are shifting to a different role. Your salary might not get any impact, and that would be a win-win situation for both. In many cases, you might have to take salary hit because when you're starting, when you're shifting, for example, if you are in a completely different role, say you were a dentist. I know someone who is a dentist who shifted into digital marketing. You're starting afresh. So you're a fresher at whatever experience point you're starting, but in this industry you are a fresher. So your past experience is not relevant. In that case, you might have to take a salary hit, but it is always good to be at the right place than be at a wrong place and earn money. So yeah, you might be starting at a lower salary point, but again you can always prove your mettle and then negotiate for a higher salary. I have a salary negotiation video as well that I'll link to description. So yeah, and yes, prepare thoroughly for your interview. You are someone who is competing with someone who is already into digital marketing field. You need to have really well prepared interview for yourself. You need to do good research on the company, on the role. You need to have a compelling proposition that why you are fit for this role over anyone else, how you are really passionate, how you discovered your passion for marketing and hence you have decided to change job roles. And because you are new into this field, you have put in your 200% 200% mathematically is not possible, but hope you get what I'm saying, that you have put in those extra hours of work, extra efforts to learn this. You will always put in that extra time and effort because you're new to this role. So that's all about how you can transition your career into digital marketing. Digital marketing is a super exciting field. It's searing hot with opportunities. Really exciting time to enter digital marketing, because all the fields, whether you're talking about e-commerce industry or healthcare or FMCG or technology or B2B, everybody is looking for digital marketer, because digital is the way forward, to simply put. Yeah. That's all for now. If you have any questions, do comment and let me know. If you are already in the process of transitioning, do share your experience so others can learn from it. I also have a lot of other playlists on digital marketing on this channel. Do check out the playlist section. You have something called as must know digital marketing career advice, digital marketing interviews that you should see. There is a course, mini course on SEO. There is a mini course on PPC. There is a playlist on salaries, so a lot of exciting stuff. That's all. This is Nidhi Singh signing off from This is Digital Marketing.